Hello my friends, and happy Mother's Day to everybody. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all you this quick drink recipe for mimosas. Perfect for your Mother's Day brunch or wedding brunch or any brunch. In my bowl, we're going to add in 3 cups of orange juice. It's nice and cold. And to bump up that orange flavor, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. Give this a quick stir. And now we're going to add in 1 bottle of champagne. I'm using the brut. Make sure you don't use a sweet champagne. Give this another stir. The champagne is nice and chill. And there you have it, my friends, mimosas. I poured it into my chill glass and I garnished it with an orange slice, or you could garnish it with strawberries. Don't that look pretty? Your guests will love and enjoy this drink. I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. And happy Mother's Day.